yam chawthok chaningai ni khoi Manipur gi population se hardly 30 lakhs muktani and masidai the yam chawthok chaningai se khoi army rank officer se both navy air force and army ohum kano sida defense ki sida khoi subject to confirmation around 350 officers le officer rank singasi makte da urangani lieutenant general brigadier colonel captain major holder ma'am ubirangani say koi per capita da our Manipur might be the highest who contribute our army officer to the nation. Hey, nahan ai kano ki da khoi ki INS ki launch to bugi do isalui Rajnath ji ne karine madai the navy ki officer mayam yormeba even nuclear submarine ki commander se he was from Manipur. How we are contributing for the nations, how our people sacrificing for the nation. Sidai da khoi we should proud to kodam ne khoi sok thok kodam akoi je sok thok ko hite akoi takat padi hai aduga sok thok ko hite sok thok ko takat pa khene ko sok thok kodam ne khoi maram de khoi out of 4 lieutenant general in the entire Northeast, 2 are from Manipur, Himalaya, and the LNC. Sigi proudness se koi laigada bani. Sangraba Indian military ki history da, Sangraba Indian army ki history da, Sangraba nation ki history da, Northeast ki lairiba karor manga tara ki marak sidai da, Lieutenant General Mari da, 2 are from Manipur. Aduna khoi se singdhanaba wai khu gi taibam ne adagi takhatpam ne ani su de le chok thok ba hita ba hita adai khoi chok thok ko da bani mo khoi gi dam ta mang da thamaga khoi chok thok ko da bani